In this video, we explore the Autopilot Investing App, a platform that automates investment strategies by allowing users to mirror the trades of prominent figures like politicians and hedge fund managers. One of its standout features is the Pelosi tracker, enabling users to replicate the stock trades of Paul Pelosi, which has garnered significant attention due to its impressive returns. The app integrates seamlessly with major brokerages, ensuring that your funds remain within your account while Autopilot executes trades based on public disclosures. Users appreciate its user-friendly interface and the ability to set customizable risk profiles. However, some have reported challenges, such as delayed trade executions due to the 45-day reporting lag on political trades and occasional connectivity issues with certain brokerage accounts. Additionally, while the app offers a free version, accessing premium portfolios requires a subscription, which some users feel is not transparently communicated up front. Overall, Autopilot offers a unique approach to investing by leveraging the strategies of influential figures. But potential users should weigh the benefits against the limitations and costs.